Okay, so in this video we're calculating dividend yield using the formula. So provided you've got that formula, you shouldn't have too much trouble calculating this stuff. Let's talk first about what dividend yield is. Dividend yield can be considered as the percent return on money. It can be compared with the effective rate on a bank deposit. So basically, if you were trying to decide between two options, say putting your money in a bank account and putting your money into some shares, one way that you can compare one to the other is by looking at the dividend yield. Should I put it in a bank account which is returning me 5%, or should I put it into these shares which have a dividend yield of 7%? It's really it's a way to choose these things, compare one investment to another investment. Let's look at our question so we can see what's happening. Paul bought 1,000 Woolworths shares at $5.75 per share. The company paid a yearly dividend of 19.5 cents per share. Calculate the dividend yield. Now, dividend yield is going to be expressed as a percentage. Let's put this into our formula and see what we end up with. Dividend yield equals dividend per share, 19.5 cents per share. Now put that in dollars. So 19.5 cents is $0.195 because we now need to divide it by the market price per share, which is expressed in dollars. So $5.75. Okay, so when we calculate this, 0.195 divided by $5.75, we get an answer of 0.0339. Now that's actually a percentage, so 3.39%. This means that the dividend yield on this particular company, or this particular share, is 3.39% per annum. Not very favourable if you're comparing it to a bank account, but you also need to remember that you're investing in a company, so not only are you getting the dividend yield, but you're also getting any potential growth in this share price over time. That's calculating dividend yield using the formula.